Kids' nursery rhyme videos are going extremely viral on YouTube right now. One channel hit 28.3 million subscribers, with shorts reaching 4.8 billion, 2.1 billion, and 1.4 billion views. Watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes, and I'll show you the exact method right now, using completely free AI tools. First, take a screenshot of any frame from any kids' rhyme video where the child character is clearly visible. Upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a 3D cartoon character in a completely original style. Hit enter and your unique 3D child character is ready in seconds. Download it. Open our prompt document and copy the idea generation prompt into ChatGPT. Hit enter and you'll get 20 rhyme ideas instantly. Pick your favorite, then use our lyrics generation prompt to create full, ready-to-use lyrics in seconds. Head to Google Gemini, click the plus icon and choose Create Music. Paste your lyrics and hit enter. In seconds, your complete nursery rhyme with voice and rhythm is ready. Download it. Your entire soundtrack is done in under 2 minutes. Go back to ChatGPT and generate video and animation prompts for every scene. Now open Google ImageFX, upload your character image as reference, and paste your Scene 1 prompt. Select Omni Flash as your video model and hit enter. Your first scene is ready. Click Add to Prompt, paste Scene 2, and repeat for every scene. Your character stays perfectly consistent. Download all your clips, add them with your music in any video editor, align with the lyrics, and export. Your viral nursery rhyme video is ready.
Red, red, where are you? Red, red, where are you? Look around, can you see red in the town? Peekaboo, peekaboo, there is red, yes it's true. Red is here, red is bright, red makes everything alright.
Yellow's here today, hip hip hooray!
Subscribe to Bulk AI, drop a like, and see you in the next one.